How to fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart phone. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart your phone. Now go back. After that, on off flight mode. Open settings, click on connections. Here you will see flight mode, and if you want to turn on flight mode, then turn on this button, and if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. By this button you can turn on or turn off flight mode. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update or install option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open settings, click on general management, click on reset, scroll down, click on factory data reset, scroll down, click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, video or pictures will be factory reset from your phone. Now go back. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi calling not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.